Welcome to the second episode of Cristiano Ronaldo's inspiring life story. In this episode, we'll dive into his humble beginnings and how a young boy with big dreams turned challenges into opportunities. Get ready to be inspired by his journey from the streets of Madeira to his first steps toward greatness. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more episodes of this incredible story. Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro was born on February 5, 1985, in Funchal, Madeira, a beautiful yet economically struggling island off the coast of Portugal. His family lived in a modest home, and life was far from easy. Ronaldo shared a cramped room with his three siblings, where space was limited, and the luxuries many of us take for granted were non-existent. But despite these hardships, Ronaldo was never discouraged. He had something more powerful than material wealth. He had a dream. His father, José Diniz Aveiro, worked as a kit man for a local football team, while his mother, Maria Dolores dos Santos, worked tirelessly as a cook and cleaner. Together, they did their best to provide for the family, but their income was barely enough to meet the basic needs. The family lived a simple, humble life, but for young Cristiano, the simplicity was no barrier to his dreams. In fact, it fueled his determination to succeed. From a very young age, Ronaldo showed an intense passion for football. His love for the game was so deep that he often played with whatever he could find. He would kick a sock stuffed with paper, a plastic bottle, or even rocks, turning the streets of his neighborhood into makeshift football fields. While many kids might have felt discouraged by their lack of proper equipment, Ronaldo used these circumstances as an opportunity to get creative and make the most out of what he had. Can you imagine growing up without toys or proper equipment? What would you do if you had no football boots or ball to practice with? Would you give up, or would you find a way to chase your dream? Ronaldo didn't give up. He saw the world differently. Every obstacle became a challenge to overcome, and every difficulty sparked his desire to work harder. Even when his peers had better equipment or access to better fields, he didn't let that stop him. Instead, he embraced the struggle and used it to sharpen his skills. This mindset became the foundation of his journey. At the age of 8, Ronaldo joined a local team called Madeira, where his father worked. This was his first step toward becoming a professional footballer. Even at such a young age, it was clear that Ronaldo had something special. His speed, control, and natural ability on the ball set him apart from the other kids. Coaches and teammates quickly noticed his potential, and this marked the beginning of a journey that would take him from the streets of Madeira to the world's biggest football stages. Ronaldo's family may not have had much, but they had something invaluable: unwavering support for his dream. His mother, despite the challenges, always encouraged him to follow his passion. His father, though working long hours, never missed an opportunity to take him to training or watch him play. Their belief in his potential played a key role in shaping his drive. Ronaldo's story teaches us an important lesson. It's not where you start that matters, it's where you're going. His humble beginnings could have easily held him back. The lack of resources, the small house, the difficult circumstances, they could have been excuses. But instead of focusing on what he didn't have, Ronaldo focused on what he could control: his effort, his determination, and his love for the game. In life, we often face challenges that seem insurmountable. It's easy to get discouraged by what we don't have or by the obstacles in our path. But if we follow Ronaldo's example, we learn that it's not the conditions around us that determine our success. It's our attitude and our actions. Ronaldo didn't wait for the perfect conditions to pursue his dream. He created his own path. and his success came from relentless work and a refusal to give up. As we reflect on Ronaldo's journey, think about your own dreams. Are there obstacles in your life that feel too big to overcome? How can you turn those obstacles into opportunities to grow and push forward? Like Ronaldo, we all have the ability to overcome our circumstances if we remain focused on where we're going, not where we started. Cristiano Ronaldo's early life teaches us a powerful truth. Success isn't defined by the wealth we inherit or the resources at our disposal. It's about resilience, determination, and a refusal to be limited by circumstances. No matter where we start in life, the path to greatness is shaped by our mindset, our actions, and our ability to stay focused on our goals. Ronaldo's story shows us that even in the face of adversity, we have the power to overcome obstacles. He didn't have the best equipment, the most luxurious lifestyle, or the easiest path, but he had something more valuable, an unwavering belief in himself and an unstoppable drive to succeed. He understood that challenges are not barriers, they're opportunities to grow stronger, to learn, and to push further. In life, we all face struggles, whether it's a lack of resources, external pressure, or self-doubt. But if we adopt Ronaldo's mindset, we can see those struggles not as roadblocks, but as stepping stones toward our dreams. It's not about waiting for the perfect moment or the ideal conditions. It's about making the most of what we have, putting in the work, and staying committed to our vision. So, as you think about your own journey, remember this. Your starting point doesn't define your potential. What matters is where you're headed and the actions you take to get there. Like Ronaldo, you can turn any setback into a setup for a comeback. And you can rise above any circumstance if you have the determination to keep going. The road to success is never easy, but with perseverance and belief, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Now it's question time. Pause the video and write your answer in the comment section. Thank you for joining us for the second episode of Cristiano Ronaldo's journey. His humble beginnings remind us that success is not about where you start. It's about how hard you're willing to work for your dreams. Stay tuned for the next episode, where we'll uncover the sacrifices Ronaldo made and the challenges he overcame to move closer to his dreams. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to keep following this amazing story.